happy today? Because it's my Plum birthday. समझ नहीं आया? Wait, I'll explain. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, my favorite brand Plum has turned 8 years old. And on its 8th anniversary, it is giving up to 50% discount on all its products throughout its website. If you have watched my previous videos, you must be knowing that Plum is my favorite brand. It suits my skin and my hair really very well. I've been using Plum products for over a year now, and I'm super happy with all the products which I have so far used of Plum. The best part of Plum is that all its products are vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, and they provide rich natural goodness to your skin and to your hair. And this year, in order to celebrate their 8th anniversary birthday, they have sent me this beautiful bag of goodness comprising of hair, skin and beauty products. If you have seen my previous videos, you must have seen that I've been using their face serum, their hair mask, their toner and their face wash, which is my favorite as I've got oily skin, and it is really very good. And now I have got few more products from Plum itself. So let's check out what all products they have sent me this year in this beautiful bag. The first product in this bag which I've got is this beautiful rice water and niacinamide serum. Now this face serum clarifies and brightens your skin by actively working on your blemishes and post-acne marks. It soothes your active acne as well and also regulate your sebum production. And trust me guys, this is super amazing, very good and suits all skin type, because I personally have been using this for over a year now and I've seen very good result on my skin. The second product which I've got in this bag is this beautiful Plum Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo. It is 300 milliliter and it is a very gentle shampoo which is sulfate free, and it easily cleanses and nourishes your scalp, and it actually makes your hair smooth and silky and very attractive, you know. So this is a must buy. Even if you your hair are colored or you have done any kind of, you know, chemical treatment on your hair, then you can go ahead with the shampoo because this is sulfate free and it is very affordable and very good. The next product in my bag is this beautiful eyeliner which is called Plum I Swear by Matte Eyeliner. Now this is a smudge free and waterproof eyeliner, and you know what, Plum actually knows what I want, because my eyeliner was over and I was about to buy one, and I've got this new one in my bag of goodness by Plum itself. So this is a must buy. It is very cheap. If you'll buy it in this sale, it would cost you even less than 300 bucks. So please go and buy this matte finish eyeliner. This is in the shade deep black, and it gives a matte finish. It is smudge free, it is waterproof, and what else do you need in an eyeliner? And the last product which I've got in my bag is actually a new product from me, because I haven't used such product before, and this product is called body mist. Yes, since it's a body mist, so it is supposed to be applied on all over your body, not on your clothes. And this particular body mist by Plum, it has vanilla essence, and it you know, give you a fragrance of vanilla itself. It lasts 2 to 3 hours pretty well, and it is travel friendly, and you actually feel very good and fresh when you apply this, you know. So it is going to be my favorite, and I've, you know, started loving this already. So guys, what are you waiting now? Just go, build your cart and shop for yourself from this super amazing Plum 8th anniversary birthday bash on their website. I'm gonna put all the related links in the description box below. Do check them all. And don't forget to use the coupon code which I have mentioned here and in the description box as well to get an additional 10% discount. So guys, what are you waiting now? The sale is going to end on 4th of July. So build your cart and shop for yourself right now.